If you're about to buy a used Toyota Hybrid, stop for 2 minutes, because there's one mistake that can cost you anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000, and almost nobody talks about it. Let me tell you about a guy I'll call Mark. Mark found what looked like the perfect deal: a clean Camry Hybrid, low miles, shiny paint, a price that seemed too good to pass up. He shook hands. He paid cash. He drove home feeling like a genius. 3 months later, a warning light. Then a quote from the dealer that made his stomach drop. The hybrid system was failing, and the repair cost almost as much as he'd saved by getting a deal. Here's the thing. Mark didn't buy a bad car. He bought a good car. The wrong way. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to avoid his mistake, including one final check that most buyers have never even heard of. A check that can reveal a dying battery before a single warning light ever appears. So let's get into it. First, let's be clear about something. Used Toyota hybrids are usually a very smart buy. Toyota has spent decades building one of the strongest reliability reputations on the planet. There are millions of them on the road right now. The Prius, the Corolla Hybrid, the Camry Hybrid, the RAV4 Hybrid. These cars are everywhere. And there's a reason for that. Toyota's hybrid system is famously durable. Many of these vehicles cross 200,000, even 300,000 miles, still running strong on their original components. So if you've heard that hybrids are fragile or risky, that myth needs to go. But here's where people get into trouble. Reliability as a brand does not mean every single car is a good buy. A great design can still be neglected, and that's exactly where the danger hides. Now let me kill the biggest myth about hybrid batteries. The myth goes like this. If the battery is old, it definitely needs to be replaced. That's simply not true. Toyota hybrid batteries are built to last a very long time. Age alone doesn't tell you much. What matters is the actual health of the battery, not just the number of years or the miles on the odometer. I've seen 10-year-old batteries that perform almost like new, and I've seen much younger ones that were already struggling because of how the car was treated. So don't panic just because a car has some years on it. The real question isn't how old is it. The real question is, what condition is it actually in? And that brings us to the real expensive mistake. Here it is. Most buyers focus only on 3 things: price, mileage, and how the body looks. They walk around the car, they check the paint, they glance at the odometer, they negotiate, and they never verify the one thing that defines the entire car, the health of the hybrid system itself. That's the mistake. It's not just ignoring the battery. It's buying a hybrid without ever checking whether the hybrid part is actually healthy. And here's something the specialists will tell you. They see the same pattern over and over. A buyer spends an hour inspecting paint quality, tire wear, panel gaps, but never spends 5 minutes looking at the battery data. And that is almost always where the biggest repair bill is hiding. A beautiful car with a tired hybrid system isn't a deal. It's a future repair bill wearing a nice paint job. So let's talk about what to actually look for. Warning sign number 1. Dashboard lights and hidden trouble codes. Pay close attention to the hybrid system indicators, the check engine light, and especially that red triangle warning light, the master warning. Here's the catch. Some sellers clear these codes right before listing the car, so everything looks clean when you show up. The lights are off, but the problem is still there. That's why a proper diagnostic scan matters so much. It can reveal stored codes and a recent history that a quick glance will never show you. Don't trust a dark dashboard alone. Verify it. Warning sign number 2. Inconsistent battery performance. During your test drive, watch the charge level. If the battery gauge jumps up and down very quickly, that's a red flag. Listen for the battery cooling fan too. If it's running loud and constant, working overtime, that can signal a battery that's straining. Notice how the car behaves. Does the gas engine kick in at strange times? Does the power delivery feel hesitant or rough? A healthy hybrid feels smooth and seamless. If it doesn't, pay attention. And now, here's the scary part. Some hybrid batteries can pass a basic inspection and still be only months away from failure. The dashboard can look completely normal. No lights, no codes, nothing obvious. And the car can still drive perfectly fine during a short test drive, while the battery is already quietly deteriorating underneath. That's what makes this so dangerous. The problem doesn't announce itself. It waits until you've already signed the papers. Which is exactly why the next two checks matter more than anything else. Warning sign number 3. Poor service history. If the seller can't show you maintenance records, be cautious. Skip services, ignored coolant changes, neglected upkeep. One detail people overlook completely: the battery cooling system. These batteries need proper airflow to stay healthy. If the cooling intake gets clogged with dust and debris and is never cleaned, the battery runs hotter, and heat is the enemy of every hybrid battery. A car with a clear documented history is worth far more than a mystery car with a low number on the dash, which leads right into the next point. Mistake number 4. Trusting mileage alone. Mileage is not the whole story. I've seen high mileage Toyotas, 200,000 miles and beyond, that were dealer serviced, babied, and absolutely solid. And I've seen low mileage cars that look barely used, hiding real problems underneath. Why? Because a car that sat unused for long stretches, or got driven hard on short, cold trips, can age in ways the odometer never reveals. So treat mileage as one clue, not the verdict. Now here's something most buyers don't realize. Even a standard pre-purchase inspection may not catch early hybrid battery problems. A good mechanic can tell you the brakes are healthy, the tires are fine, the suspension looks solid, but unless they are looking specifically at the hybrid battery data, they may completely miss the most expensive issue on the entire car. It's not that they're careless. It's that a normal inspection was never designed to read what's happening inside the battery pack. And that's exactly why this next check matters so much. This is the inspection most buyers never do. A standard once-over checks the basics. That's fine. But it never touches the hybrid system in a meaningful way. What you actually want is a dedicated hybrid battery health test. And here's the part almost nobody knows. A hybrid battery isn't one single block. It's made of many individual modules, working together. With the right diagnostic tool, a specialist can read each one of those modules separately. And this is the secret. In a healthy pack, every module sits at almost the same voltage. They stay balanced, tight, consistent. But in a battery that's starting to fail, 1 or 2 weak modules begin to drift away from the rest. That growing gap, that spread between the strongest and the weakest module, is the early warning that appears long before any dashboard light ever turns on. That single number can tell you whether you're buying a healthy car or a $3,000 problem in disguise. This is the check that's worth more than any general inspection, because it reads the one component that costs the most to replace. So let's put it all together into a simple checklist before you sign anything. 1. Get a full diagnostic code scan, not just a glance at the dashboard. 2. Do a thorough test drive. Watch the charge level. Listen to the fans, feel how it drives. 3. Verify the maintenance history with real records. 4. Check the battery cooling system for dust and blockage. And 5. Get a hybrid battery module test from a specialist so you can see that voltage balance for yourself. That small investment up front can save you thousands later. So, let's bring this home. The expensive mistake is simple. It's buying a used Toyota Hybrid based only on price, miles, and looks, while never verifying the health of the hybrid system. Avoid that, and you're in great shape. Because the truth is, Toyota Hybrids remain some of the most reliable used cars you can buy. The problem was never buying a used Toyota Hybrid. The problem is buying one without checking the heart of what makes it a hybrid. Do the checks, ask the questions, read the battery data, and you can drive away with confidence. knowing you got a real deal, not a hidden repair bill. If you've owned a Toyota Hybrid, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment and let me know how many miles yours has made it. And if this helped, share it with someone who's car shopping right now. Drive smart.